Junkfoodtaster.com, and here we go, my little friends. So it's Saturday, it's the follow-up video. Most of you voted for the Burger King burger, so I'm doing basically more burger content now. And I have decided to give Lidl a change. Yeah, sorry for my voice, guys, I've got a terrible cold right now. And so these are the Lidl burgers, cheeseburger, there was also chicken one. And here we go, these are 1 minute 600 watt microwave burgers. And yeah, I will pimp them a little bit. And then try them out. First of all, we need to open it up. And this one looks tough. Alrighty, so let's open it up. And yeah, I put them onto this microwave tray. There's also ketchup inside the plastic tray here. And yeah, here you go. So I've prepared stuff. So I got this strong cheese. It's also from Lidl. This one is called Estrom. And yeah, smells very strong. It's from Denmark. Very greetings to my Danish viewers. Here we go. So Denmark is known for butter cookies, strong cheese, design. Okay, Vikings. Okay, so then I've got two sauces. I think I will sort of skip the ketchup. Alright, so here we go. This is the cocktail sauce by Lidl. Sold under the name label Kania. So basically this is a test whether this works or is a complete stupid idea. So we got a nice click. And I think I want to put the sauce at the very bottom. Oh, this is a big drop. So, wow. This will be a juicy thing. And I think a little bit on top. And also got salad. It's Chef Select, which is the label. The burgers are also. Yeah. So let's put some salad. Oh, I think it's too much salad. But anyways. Okay, this is bad. So the bottom bun already falls apart. So. Alright, so on the other burger, I will use this honey mustard sauce. Yeah, normally I expect such burgers like to be a complete product, but I don't know. This is meant for like pimping, isn't it? So this is, or is it? No, just meant ketchup, cheese, and patty. And the gherkin, the cucumber, and the onions are just on the table. Okay, so honey mustard sauce. There you go. I sort of try now to put less on. So I hope I can do it. So let's distribute. Yeah, this looks of course more moderate. Okay, and also a little bit, maybe here also something. A little bit more moderate salad. So, oh, it's pretty. Oh. Really, I don't know. This is not meant to be happen. Okay. Oh. This comes from the fridge. And the stuff is almost frozen. I I think it's a little bit frozen, you can see it. So the fridge is so cold. This tasty salad. Shredded, but yeah, I don't know. So it's put the... Looks kind of lovely. So maybe I do a little failure before I do it in microwave and terrible things happen. So they said 1 minute, but there's now 2 of them. So I just taking 2 minutes and see what happens. Whatever happens. Alrighty, so here's our friend the microwave. And the stuff is all in there. I put 2 minutes. Alright. Let's do it. Okay. Wish me luck, my beautiful friends. Alright, so here we go. 7 seconds left. And yeah. Liking sort of the sounds of this one. So here we go. And let's see what happens. Oh, this cheese smells amazing. So this looks definitely finished, I think. And yeah, got steamy. This is good. So the bun's not completely burned. And yeah. So let's make the taste test. Okay. Here we go. Oh, it's getting close to New Year, so firecrackers outside. I always cut stuff. This cut is rather a catastrophe. But yeah. Let's have a little look at the profile. Yeah, everything falls apart. Let's eat it. So part of the burger here of the patty is already cold, or it's still cold. So anyway, but the taste is rather good right now. This was now the one with cocktail sauce. Let's eat a little bit more. Yeah, this is no condition here. Now, some parts of the meat are super warm. Others are still cold. This tastes actually quite amazing. Consistency, complete catastrophe. But taste-wise, kind of cool. Complex flavors. I think this strong cheese added a lot of flavor. So I guess now I have to flush. So here we go. Get some Fanta. I have to say also, like the burger bun, The microwave burger bun has an interesting aroma. So first of all, flush in. Cheers. Oh yes. Now, so let's have a little detailed analysis here. I don't know. Now I try to eat the way it's meant to be a little bit. Yeah, biting from here, something like this. Actually, it doesn't look that bad. Okay. No. I like the cocktail sauce more. This sauce is a little bit too obvious. Let's also try the ketchup, which came along. Yep, seems to be a Heinz style ketchup. Yeah. I think I like the patty. Yeah, I like the patty. So, I don't like the bun, but since the patty is the most important component, I rate win. Alrighty, my friends. I also checked the ingredients list. It says it's beef patty and it was fried without fat. And then I looked for preservatives, but they didn't use any. This is good. And yeah. Yeah. This is actually an affordable little piece of beef, I would say. And yeah, so it up a little bit the sauces. I would rate this sauce here win, because this one raw. I think I've eaten better honey mustard sauce. And this Danish cheese I also would rate win. Gives really a lot of aroma. So I don't know whether this gets a thing, strong cheese on burger. There was also the Burger King did raclette, didn't they? This was actually the last video. So maybe this gets a thing, strong cheese on burgers. Okay. I have to clean the microwave thingy. Yeah. So a little flush and then it's time to say goodbye. Goodbye, my beautiful friends. Yeah. This is the last video of the year, actually, I think. See you next year.